Every element tells a story. Every formula hides a secret. From isotopes to the skeletals of molecules, nature's hidden language is decoded.
At Nazli Tech School, empirical forms evolve into full-scale molecular mastery. Step into a world where learning is alive, where chemistry becomes experience, and where your mind shapes the future.
Welcome to Nazli Tech School, where theory meets tomorrow. Let's begin.
In Madagascar, the earth speaks in blue, but some stones have a stutter.
Most sapphires in Madagascar show flaws. This one doesn't. When a material looks too perfect, chemistry usually has something to explain.
You think it was made?
We start by checking what it's really made of. Elements come in different atomic masses. These are isotopes. To find the relative atomic mass Kao, I calculate the weighted average based on how much of each magnesium version shows up.
And this pattern looks different? Too balanced.
Natural samples are usually irregular.
Mass patterns tell me how controlled a material is, but to know what it really is, I need to break it down. That part can't be done in the lab. There are other illustrations you need to see.
Show me.
I break the stone down into percentages. 52.9% aluminum, 47.1% oxygen. Divide the mass by the atomic weight to get the moles. Find the simplest ratio, the empirical formula.
It's the raw skeleton.
102 grams per mole. That's the empirical formula mass.
That's interesting.
But the manifest says the molar mass is 306 grams per mole.
That number is bigger than what you calculated.
This isn't a gem, it's a synthetic polymer for a weapon. We leave now. Morning's coming.
And so is everyone else.
So the chemistry answers everything.
The numbers always add up in the end, even when the people don't.
Thank you, Jean-Luc.
Hello, chemistry students. I'm certain you enjoyed the movie you just watched. Now let's discuss it further for better understanding. We will begin by calculating the relative atomic mass of magnesium. Pay close attention. In the WAEC and IGCSE worlds, we don't guess weight. Do we add the mass directly? Of course no. We use the seesaw method. Multiply the mass of each isotope by its percentage. Add them together and divide by 100. Now let's move on to the next question from the AP and IB curriculums. A compound contains 52.9% aluminium, 47.1% oxygen. Find the empirical formula. In AP and IB, this question tests your method, not your memory. What do we always convert percentage into first? Correct. To solve this question seamlessly, always remember the rhyme. Percent to mass, mass to mole, divide by smallest number, round to whole. Now this is fully expressed. Take notes and observe closely. We divide the percentage by the molar mass from the periodic table. Then divide both results by the smallest number. This is the empirical formula. This is getting more interesting. Now let's move to the next question. And don't forget, take notes. The empirical mass is 102 grams per mole, but the molar mass is 306 grams per mole. Find the molecular formula. If this is the empirical formula and you know the real molar mass, how would you figure out the molecular formula? Let's find out. To master the IB finals, find the multiplier N. Divide the real molar mass by your empirical mass. In this question, the multiplier is 3. Multiply every atom by 3. This is the molecular formula. Congratulations, you have successfully come to the end of today's chemistry lesson. Good job. Now you've mastered relative atomic mass, empirical and molecular formulas. Download your worksheet now and keep practicing.
Whether you are sitting for WAEC, AP, or IB, the logic remains the same.
Chemistry is the language of the world. Master the formula, and you master the mystery. Follow us on our social media platforms. On our YouTube channel, subscribe, like, and comment.
From Madagascar to your screen, the mysteries of chemistry unfold.
At Nazli Tech School, we turn theory into experience, calculations into understanding, and formulas into mastery.
We bridge your classroom, your curriculum, and the world.
Nazli Tech School, where chemistry, technology, and imagination converge. Master the formula, master your future.